Birdsong London. Expect more from your wardrobe. No sweatshops, no Photoshop.
Yeah, we don't want to see any more of that Photoshop shit, do we?
Birdsong London is a ethical fashion brand based in London, and they have a pop-up stand going on today. So what is Birdsong about?
Hey, so we're Birdsong, and we're a no sweatshops, no Photoshop ethical brand, and most of our clothes are made sustainably, all of them are made ethically with local women's organisations. We buy stock from different women's organisations around the world. We work really closely with around 7 different charities in East London that are supporting women who are sort of low income, refugee, migrant, with mental health problems or experience domestic violence, and they get a London living wage for all the work they do with us. And they've got amazing skills, so we support them. So the clothes from our newest collection are made by women at a charity called Fabric Works, and they're based in Limehouse down the road in East London. And it's women who've experienced like depression or low confidence, they might have been unemployed for a while, a lot from migrant backgrounds, or experienced domestic violence, and Stitches in Time, which is the main charity, offer like this amazing safe space for them, like free sewing classes as well. And yeah, train them up to a really amazing high industry standard, and then we pay a London living wage for them to make the clothes. But they're all like really talented.
Everyone was so lovely at the Birdsong pop-up store. I'm really happy with my purchases.
Here is my outfit from Birdsong, which I love. It's the organic cotton t-shirt, hand painted by a group of migrant women, and the culottes, which have deep pockets. What's really nice is if you look at the website, it tells you who makes each piece. If you go to the online shop on Birdsong, there's a section which says the makers, and it actually explains who makes the pieces, so you can feel that personal connection, which is really cool. A group of migrant mothers hand paint these t-shirts while their children attend the local school, and Birdsong pay them a London living wage to do so. I'm not claiming I'm perfect. If you see me in H&M, don't shoot me or anything. It's just, I think everything begins from an awareness. So if you haven't seen the documentary The True Cost, do go and see it. Currently, the unseen impact of fast fashion is one built on exploitation. So it's really important to have an awareness, at least. It is worth shopping every penny. It's like shopping like timeless pieces like this, and you do feel more of a personal connection. It is an investment, yeah, and they're made so much better if everyone thinks a bit more. And my wise words of the day. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.